thank you for joining me today, Dr. Joyce. And I'm very happy that a lot of you have enjoyed the smoothies that I made last time, and you requested for some more smoothies that I made this time. So I believe that it is very important that you incorporate more vegetables and fruits in your diet so that you will be more healthier, apart from, of course, doing your exercises. So join me today as I show you some more smoothies that will be beneficial for your health for your year 2021. Join me!
Hello everyone! Hope you're well. For today's smoothie, I will make avocado with grapes and also with beetroots. So I already removed the avocado, also go with tender, and then the grapes. Okay, for our smoothie. So now it's done. Enjoy! I'm going to make a smoothie out of pear, apple, pomegranate, and of course beetroot. And I also placed one banana. Enjoy! We'll start. Now let's try this. Yummy! Enjoy! For our next smoothie, I will be using spinach, ginger, cucumber, half cucumber, mango, kiwi, and for the taste, green tea. This is a very healthy smoothie. So I'll peel first the cucumber and the mango and also the kiwi. So here are ingredients that I already peeled. I will put them already one by one. First, the ginger, and then the kiwi, okay. And then we have the mangoes, and we will have the cucumber, and then our handful of spinach, and then we will put the green tea. I'll put 2, and then we'll blend it together. Now here is our smoothie. Enjoy! For this smoothie, I will be using beetroot, grapes, muesli, and also some blueberries. This is a very, very healthy and yummy smoothie. So I will have to cut this first, the beetroot, and then I'll put it here, and also the blueberries, and also our muesli, and some grapes. Of course, I have to remove them from the stem. Our purpose is to be healthy in this lifetime. So, and then I would use for today, this is soy milk. I will use 2, but you can also use fresh milk if you want. You can also use almond milk, it depends really on what you want with your smoothie. So, we'll blend them. Now we will start blending our muesli smoothie. Out of cactus, and I have also pear and orange and apple, and of course a little bit of ginger. Cactus is a very healthy fruit and it tastes good. Try this one. This is very, very delicious and healthy. So I will blend first the cactus because it has seeds, and maybe some of you doesn't want seeds, so You can strain it later before you put the other ingredients, but it's up to you. For me, I eat as well the seeds together with it because it's like nuts, you know, and it's also healthy. So here I strained the cactus because some of them it's too hard, you know, so I think it's better so that you have a smoothie to just remove the seeds, and then I will put it back again, and then I will put the rest of the ingredients together. And now I will put all the rest, apple and the pear, in the ginger and the orange, and then blend them all together. And now I have a very smooth smoothie out of cactus, apple, pear, and orange. So here is the finished product. Enjoy your smoothie. Be healthy and happy.
Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you have enjoyed the smoothies that I showed you, and I hope that you will subscribe as well and hit that notification bell so that you will be notified for my next videos. Thank you so much for your time, and may God bless you always. And remember, you are a living masterpiece. I love you. Bye! Take care of yourselves. God bless.